Melissa with WTI, and today I want to share with you the flour my husband and I have been using. My husband and I try to limit gluten, so we've been loving this Jovial 100% organic einkorn all-purpose flour. This has worked wonderful to make bread. I mean, the bread is delicious, super tasty, and this flour is super easy to work with. But more than just tasty, we love the fact that einkorn is tested for glyphosate and it is unbromated, unbleached, and not enriched flour. It is kept just the way nature intended. I love the fact that this einkorn's gluten proteins are different than any other gluten found in modern wheat, which makes it so much easier for my husband and I to digest. So if you're looking for something tasty, delicious, and healthy, go for this flour by Jovial 100% organic einkorn. You will love it. With that being said, if you want to try delicious homemade bread, definitely check this out. And that is my point of view.